Hello everyone, it's Michael. How are you? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, The World of Michael Trent. I have another album that I made using my Double Facing Waterfall tutorial, which once uploaded to YouTube will be linked below. I had a lot of fun making this album for a dog lover in the United States. The album collection, the collection I used for the album is called Fetch by Photoplay Paper. I'll have it's an older collection, but I will have a link below if I can find it online. Photoplay might actually still be selling it, but I as someone that has 6 dogs, I loved making this album. So the album is 8 1/4 by 6 by 2 inches. And this is the front of all the Polaroids of the different dogs. And then the side I just used the bones. Opening it up, this album was designed for 4 by 6 photos and a couple of 4 by 5 1/4 inch photos because I had to shorten them a little bit, but every 4 by 6 photo can probably be trimmed down enough to fit into that space. On the front and on the back, we have a pocket. So I did the same thing on each side. So this flap comes up, and you could put a photo here. Okay, so this flap comes up, and inside is a photo mat for either horizontal or vertical. I don't want people to think that just because the photo mat is in here, they have to put a photo facing this way. It could go this way too, horizontally. So, and these will be removed and the photo will be adhered down to the black photo mat. And the pockets here have plenty of room for additional photos or memorabilia or whatever. This side also has a photo mat for 1 photo. This album has space for about 32 photos, I think. Something I did a little bit differently on this album. Normally I have the first page with a little flap in between and then the second page. This album I decided to change up a bit and put a flap here, a photo flap here for 2 photos. Then I have the page, then another photo flap here, and then on the back another photo flap here. It still houses the same number of photos, but you have a little bit different. So here again is just a solid page from one of the pages from the collection. You can put a photo here or different sized photos. A little pullout for 2 4 by 6s. And again, this envelope has this little pocket. We call them envelopes here, I don't know why. Anyway, there's plenty of room inside for additional photos or memorabilia. This side here has the front page. And did I do the same thing? No, okay, I didn't mirror it completely. So you have a photo here. So you have 4 by 6, 5 1/4, and then 4 by 6, 5 1/4. And I had to do that for the border down here. And then we have at the end 2 4 by 6s. And then we have this little photo flap in between for 2 4 by 6s. And then on this side, again, space for 4 by 6 and 5 1/4. We have another pullout here for 2 photos. And if you're not a dog lover, Photoplay also has collections for cats. So keep that in mind. And then here we have another full page for photos and another flap here. And then on the back, we have the back pocket with the flap for 2 more photos and a photo on this side. And this photo mat will keep the pocket flap if I can get it in there. Once this is used a bit, it'll become easier. There's that. And then for the matching box, I used the same paper on the box top, and on the side we have some solid red with the bones, and opening it up, the doggy dish and his little doggy tennis ball that he likes to chew on. And the album will be housed in here. And there's room in this album, even when this album is filled with photos. I don't think it's going to be this thick, but there is room here for additional photos related to what you've put into the album. And the album doesn't have to have photos of your dog. It's just for a dog lover. Anyway, I hope you loved this idea. I'd love it if you leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified when I post the next video. I am working on the tutorial for this. I'm just being very lucky today. The dogs are sleeping. And thank you so much for stopping by my channel. There'll be another video coming up soon, probably tomorrow. Okay, talk to you later. Thank you.